alright, that's later. My heart's beating fast to pass for my feet. Don't I be in your arms again?
Ain't I with you? Taste all the sweet, sweet pieces once more.
Darling, that's what I'm looking for.
But most of all, I just want to hear that wonderful song, I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart.
It's been so long since I heard of sound, the wonderful sound. I need you. Well, have I ever did we part?
I need reassuring. Those thoughts have been storing up in my mind.
When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will love be tender and strong? I've been away from you